Now I will be opening my Blister. The next video. It's the other item that I bought from PokeOrder.
Big shout out to them.
Yep, we got big shout out to PokeOrder. Beautiful website.
They will ship any Pokemon you want to your mail.
Exactly. They will ship it very quick too.
It only takes 5 days.
That's actually the standard delivery, so it is fine. Love that website. Any day I'll buy from that website.
That guy fell off the map. Some guy was trying to snipe me and he fell off the map.
Oh. What to heck? What to heck? Got my 3 pins from this blister pack. Got Mega Lucario. Beautiful pin. I have 2 other pins. I have these 2 pins that I got from previous boxes. The Hoopa Legendary Collection pin. Plays upside down. Oh. And the Hone Starter pin. And then the Charizard Y pin. And the Charizard X. I'll be opening 3 still breakthrough packs. Just completely shredded this paper. Let's see if we can pull ultra rare. Ultra rares are really common in blisters. That's why I love opening blisters. Give me the best value of all time. There's nothing better than opening a blister pack. Okay, there's the package. Whatever. 3 packs. Breakthrough. 1 Breakzork. Mega Mewtwo Y. And a Mega Mewtwo X. Which I wanted. I love opening Mega Houndoom packs that have the best luck. But whatever. I'll be starting with Mega Mewtwo X. That's my least favorite design. Oh crap. It's a little bit harder. Oh. I've really been collecting a lot of breakthrough packs as well. I haven't been getting anything. That's why I stopped collecting them. I'm gonna start collecting soon though. I know it's a new set. Kinda funny how I'm collecting Primal Clash. But I love that set. Okay. Chespin. Another Chespin. Zora. Froakie. Snover. Frogadier. Swoobat. Go. A reverse Haxorus, I think. And a rare Florges, which I don't have yet. So I'm all good. What was the Mega Mewtwo X pack? Never get any luck with him. Next up, Mega Mewtwo Y, which is my favorite design out of all the 4. Love how he has that energy ball he's controlling, attacking the city. Ghastly, the Duel, Staryu, Cyndaquil. What's his name? Panpour. Giovanni, which I want the floor of. Rigid. Stunfisk. Reverse is a Lopatus. And the rare is a Bravery. Oh man, not looking too good. No hollows, no ultra rares, man. Looking pretty shady. Looking like we're not gonna get anything. Hopefully we will. Last pack magic. Break Zorg. Another really cool design. All of them are cool, but I just like the Mega V2Y better than all of them. Just my opinion. Two. Two. Lopatus. Cyndaquil. Dean. Staryu. No, guy the chestbin. Okay. Cat turn. That was my mom. Lily Spirit Link. Haunter. Reverse is a town map. And the rare is a Mr. Mime. Well, that was nothing at all. Not even a hollow. This is why I don't collect Breakthrough. I hate it. I have no luck with it at all. I did, get the pins. And I got this beautiful blister pack for a very good price. So I'm happy either way. Only about 13 at Pokeorder. Shout out to my man Pokeorder. And these 3 pins. And that's it. I'm going to be opening my tins, my home collection tins, in the next video. Thanks.